In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a prototype preview as MP4 in Adobe XD. By the end, you'll have a clean screen recording of your prototype that you can share with clients, teammates, or drop into a presentation. First, open your XD file and make sure your prototype is ready to demonstrate. Switch to prototype mode and confirm that your artboards are connected with the interactions you want to show. Check your triggers, transitions, and any auto-animate or overlay effects. The goal here is to wire up exactly the journey you want viewers to experience, so the recording matches your intended flow without surprises. Next, start the desktop preview. Look to the top right of XD and click the desktop preview icon, the play button. This opens a floating preview window that shows your prototype exactly as it will play. Arrange your desktop so the preview window is front and center and avoid covering it with other applications. What you see in this window is what will be recorded. Now, click Record in the preview window. The recording begins immediately, capturing your clicks, screens, animations, and transitions as they appear. Think of this like a live walkthrough. Anything you demonstrate in the preview will end up in the MP4. Keep your cursor movement smooth and deliberate so viewers can follow what you're doing, and allow brief pauses after interactions so transitions are easy to see. Interact with your prototype exactly the way you want the final video to look. Follow the path you set up in prototype mode, clicking through buttons, menus, and links between artboards. If your design uses gestures like drag interactions, perform them steadily in the preview window. A helpful tip is to keep a calm pace. Count a beat after each transition so animations finish cleanly and nothing feels rushed. If you make a mistake, no problem. You can stop, save, or discard that take and start another recording. When you're done, stop the recording by clicking the record button again in the preview window or press the ESC key. Adobe XD will prompt you to save the file as an MP4. Choose a clear file name and a location you'll remember, then save. Your video is ready to share, upload, or edit. That's it. Open your file, start desktop preview, hit record, walk through the prototype, and stop to save your MP4. Thanks for watching, and happy prototyping.